I'm Angela. Welcome to the Money Messenger site. I'm going to assume that because you clicked on this, you're looking for a way of bringing more money into your life, to get better with managing your money, to get ahead financially. Are you currently living payday to payday? Do you have growing credit card debt? Are you unsure of how you'll be able to afford a home of your own one day? Do you simply wonder why other people can afford to do more, shop more, travel more when they don't earn much more than you? Well, you're not alone. Some people think that the answer is to earn more money, and look, it can help, but no, it's not the answer. The more money you earn, the more money you spend. You can go broke earning $100,000 a year. You just need to spend $101,000. You don't need to earn more money to have a better lifestyle than you have now and grow your wealth at the same time. It's true, there is another way. In today's world, we're overstimulated with marketing companies pushing us to buy and the feeling of instant gratification, which is buying things we don't need or can't afford in order to make ourselves feel better. That leads to financial strife, and it's no wonder there's more people stuck in the rat race. Surely, as times change and more households are earning double incomes and higher salaries, ordinary people's money should be increasing, but instead, we see rising personal debt levels and more people living payday to payday. People are just not managing their money well, and they're forgetting the basics of money management. But the good news is, there are simple strategies that you can put in force straight away to organise your money better and get ahead financially. You can create more in life using what you have now, even if all you have is your income. You simply need to use it in a better way. How do I know, you ask? Because I've done it. I do it. I live by it. The financial secrets and strategies that I will share with you are simple to follow, tried, tested, and proven to work. Some of them I've lived by ever since starting my working life, and they've served me well, and other people too. They're the essential foundations of successful money management, but it's not taught in schools. My strategies are real, they work, and I'm living proof of that. I've achieved some pretty cool things with money for someone of my age, and I started with nothing. I'm an ordinary Aussie girl, but I'm extremely good with money. I'll share my secrets to you. To get started, subscribe to the Money Messenger blog today so you too can control your money and live the life you want. Bye for now.